Today we will do the creatinine test, and for this we have Herba brand reagent. Let's open this. As we can see, there are three types of bottles. Two of them are reagents, that is R1 and R2, and third is standard. Creatinine reagent comes in liquid form, that is stored at 30 degrees Celsius. We will follow the calibration chart to prepare the reagents, and 250 microliters of each R1 and R2 is needed for both control and test. For calibration, we need 3 clean dry cuvettes, one each for standard, L1 and L2, and 2 more cuvettes for samples, as we have 2 patient samples. Calibration chart: 2 micropipettes, one large and one small. Large of 100 to 1000 microliters and small of 5 to 50 microliters. Micropipette tips, both large and small, and tissue paper. We will take 250 microliters of each R1 and R2 for all cuvettes. And mix it well. And incubate at 37 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of incubation, keep the cuvettes filled with reagent inside to avoid the temperature drop. Then we will proceed to the biochemistry machine for calibration. On the display of the biochemistry machine, there are 2 options. First option is Accurate All and the second one is AccuKine. We will choose Accurate All and select the creatinine test by pressing the 5 button. And to set the standard concentration, press the new button. Take the 1 cuvette with reagent out of the incubator and mix 50 microliters of standard with the help of a micropipette and press enter while mixing the standard. Then insert the cuvettes in the analyzer. It will take 80 seconds for the reading to display. Now that the standard concentration is set, proceed to run control, that is L1, and for this press enter and then right arrow to select L1. Then take the other cuvette containing the reagent from the incubator and mix 50 microliters of L1 with the help of a micropipette. Press enter button while mixing the standard. Then insert the cuvettes into the analyzer. The reading will take 80 seconds to display. L1 control has been successfully completed. Now let's move on to L2, where we will follow the same procedure as for L1, with the only difference being the mixing of 50 microliters of L2 into the reagent. As L2 is now completed, enter hypothetical age and gender. Press read to obtain the printout. Now we will perform tests for patient samples. We have samples from two patients labeled as label 1 and label 2. To begin, press enter and then press 1 to assign a label ID for the first patient. Next, take the cuvettes from the incubator and mix 50 microliters of the patient serum and press enter while mixing. Then insert the cuvettes into the analyzer. The reading will take 80 seconds to display. Now enter age and gender in order to proceed further. Then press read button to get the printout. Repeat the same process for second patient. Thank you.